everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Today's video, of course, is a collab. We're gonna call it a collab with my beautiful daughter Haley, aka Love Haley, channel listed down below. But it's another edition of IPSY versus IPSY, mother versus daughter.
Yeah, buddy.
I didn't know if we were gonna be like da da da.
Oh yeah, sometimes we do that. I couldn't think of what went in that silent gap, so I was...
If you guys are new to IPSY versus IPSY, this is where we do get the monthly subscription for IPSY, which now is no longer $10 a month, it's $12 a month. It is a monthly subscription. We have profiles that we fill out, and we have complete opposite profiles from skin tone, texture, age, and hair color. So anyways, this is where we go up against each other and see who got the better bag. Some people say it's, you know, it gets really salty and crazy up in this.
His house.
Okay,
I look really pale today. Did you still tan?
No.
Dang.
No, I actually had to use my pale powder today. My Milani 03. Okay, so IPSY does do, what is it considered? They send you out an email and they're like, hey, you can purchase this add-on, right?
But it's at a discounted price.
Right, you have to pay for it. So yeah. I did purchase a few things.
I did purchase this liquid lash extension mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. I have this in one of my IPSY GLAM Bag Pluses. It's my favorite mascara. I wear it every day. It's so fast and easy. So
I ordered two and I only got one.
I only ordered one and I tried to go back and do a second order.
Could you only...
It didn't let me.
Could you only put one in?
If you paid for two, I would be like, hey.
Maybe they only...
I would go back and check.
Okay, so apparently I only got one. I thought I ordered two. They were 12 bucks.
Yeah,
so
regularly 24. So really good deal.
Did you get anything else?
Nope.
My other add-ons were... Did I add that on? I did. Everybody talks about this Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask.
The spray of that?
No.
I know. The spray of it, is that the one that you like?
Yes. And shot everywhere.
That's Sephora.
So you get a decent little amount. Actually, you know what? That's crap.
Because it's like half empty.
It's half empty, and I think I spent $3 on it. That was a waste of money. Then I got this cute little GimMe Brow. I think I got hosed. The only good deal I did get was these Oprah lipsticks.
And mascara.
And the mascara. The other two...
Oh no, we're back at it again with dropping everything.
So the lipsticks are pretty. Just be careful if you're adding on stuff, guys, because these rinky-dink, like, these are legitimate samples that you get in your IPSY for, like, free. This is crap.
Free.
Whatever.
Okay, let's go ahead and start.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh, there's a crystal on.
Yes.
I dropped the brush.
Again?
Yeah.
Look how cute the bag is, though,
Zodiac
guys.
and crystal, like...
Look at that.
Okay, let's get started. Go.
It's a nice bag. Nice, like, sturdy kind of bag. Are you flipping kidding me? My first item is a GimMe Brow in the shade 2. Oh, well, this one that I apparently purchased was 3. Well, that's cool. At least that's going to match my hair color. So that's the first item I got.
The first item I got was in the pink bag, like the bubble mailer. And it was a brush, a contour brush by Farrah.
Ooh,
it's really nice, really soft. It's like a matte handle.
Yeah.
Nice, like
whoa.
It's
not black. It's like
blue,
midnight
purple.
blue. Yeah. That's neat.
Wow.
I never get stuff like this. You normally get stuff like this.
I got something like that, and now I'm sad.
Y'all, I got a full-size Oprah highlighter. Maybe they felt bad because they screwed me over on my samples. I don't know. Pardon my French. Wow, this is Moondance. Do you have this one?
No.
It's literally a full-size.
Maybe.
Oh, and it's actually my color. It's really pretty.
Well, I got a full-size Oprah lipstick.
Oh, that's
Lip
your
gloss.
color.
It's the Oprah Madison Miller lip gloss.
So that
in
must
sugar cup.
I guess there was there a set of 3? Do they smell good? Oh, they do not. That's actually pretty. That's really pretty on your skin and your hair color. I'm so excited. My second item that I got is by Too Faced. Just gonna show you guys up close because you guys know I never say it on here.
Gosh darn, girl.
Yeah, dang girl is what I call it, that mascara. You got it too. I love this mascara. I love
never
it.
tried it, but I think that's gonna really put me on it.
It's good stuff. Okay, the next thing I got is the Lemon Verbatim Clay Mask by, is it IBOM or IBOM? This is a lot. Wow, it's actually 1 fluid ounce. So it's a nice size, sample size of this. There we go. It's a good size sample of this, so I'm excited to try this out.
I got the Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream by First Aid Beauty. Moisturizer.
My last item is by Kula. This is the SPF Organic Mineral Sun Silk Cream Sunscreen. I like this. I've used it before. I use the setting spray that has the SPF in it. This is really good. What was your like?
An eyeshadow glamour by Colored Rain.
Oh wow, that's pretty.
It's in the color Glamour.
That's like really pretty.
You can swatch it if you want to.
No, it's okay.
I don't feel like swatching it, but I want to see what it looks like. I just don't want to.
Oh, it's so nice and creamy. That you probably can't see it, but it's really pretty.
Yes.
It's kind of got like a champagne rosy undertone. It makes the Oprah highlighter look great. Oh, this is the Madison Miller highlighter.
Yes.
I didn't get that. So what are your thoughts on your bag?
I like it, but I think yours won.
I definitely think mine won too.
Yeah.
I'm pretty shocked. I'm really happy with mine. I think yours is good. I mean, I
like the gloss and the brush. I don't really use single shadows, but I do like.
You could use this as a highlighter too.
Yeah.
That would be a really pretty highlighter. I don't know. I really like my bag. I will say I'm still unhappy with the add-ons for what I paid because all of this, I don't remember, but yeah, whatever.
How much were the lip glosses? Were they $8?
I don't remember. That was the problem.
They were, and I looked at getting them, but I was like, I really don't need any more lipsticks. And then I went to Sephora not even a week later, and I bought 3 lipsticks.
I don't know, but I think that my bag was really good towards everything that I like, so I'm really happy with everything. I know I'm going to use everything. The nice thing about subscription boxes is you get to try out brands that, you know, you may not have heard of or tried out before. But I do like the fact that I put in my profile that I wanted high-end products, and I feel like I definitely got that. So I'm really, really pleased with everything. Don't forget that I do have 2 giveaways going on my channel. I'll have them linked and listed in the description box down below. You have to go over to those videos in order to enter to win into those giveaways. They go on for 30 days each. And don't forget to check out Hailey's channel as well. Go over there and show her some love. And I'm trying to think, is there anything else? I think that's it. It's just a monthly subscription that's now like $12, but apparently they're up in their game as well. And does it mean you get to pick? Yeah, it went up to $12 and I think you get to pick. I could be wrong. Leave me a comment down below. Also, let us know who you think got the better bag and what did you guys get in your IPSY bag for the month of September. Anyways, guys, that's all for today's video. We're going to hop off. We've got to film our Sephora Play video as well for you guys. Pretty excited about that, which Sephora Play did not change how much their bag is, so we'll see. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.